boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. First time here on this channel, Nakamura, with a song called VIP. So that means we have one chord progression that goes through the entire song with one strumming pattern. So we like these combos, and it goes round and round, makes it joyful to play if you like the song, and easy and all that good stuff. So let's start capo here on the first fret. So with the capo there, we're gonna have the following chords: E minor, A minor, G, and D. So starting with E minor, you have the open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. The A minor will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. The G, that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the final chord, D, that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. All right, so before we go into the chord progression here, we're gonna look at the strumming pattern. E minor will be the first chord. So one round will be down, down, up, clap, down. That is one round. So again, down, down, up, clap, down. All right, so that is one round. Now let's look at chord progression here. It will be E minor for 2 strumming rounds, then A minor for 1, and G for 1. That's the first half of this chord progression. And then you're gonna play D for 2 rounds, G 1 round, and you end with D 1 round. And that's it. So E minor 2, A minor 1, G1. Then D2, G1, and D1. Sounds like this. E minor, E minor, A minor, G, D, D, G, D. One more round. Yeah, so you just go with this strumming and this chord progression through the entire song, and you are able to perform Nakamura's VIP. So thank you for watching, guys. Play tuned.